Hey Fox, hello and welcome to this YouTube channel. In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to download and install Canon Image Class MF244DW printer driver in your Windows 11 PC or laptop. So without any further ado, let's get started. First things first, we need to bring up our Google Chrome. So by that, proceed at the button search bar and here please type for Chrome. Once you've typed it, please wait until a best match would appear, and once it's here, please click on the open option to continue. So once you are being navigated here at the Google Chrome browser, please proceed at the search bar and type for Canon space imaged class space MF244DW driver. Once you're done typing, hit the enter key so that you would be redirected to the result. So please proceed to the result, which is this. Please click on it. And the moment you do it, you would be able to see this one. All you need to do is you need to scroll down. Okay, and it will automatically detect the operating system that you have. All you need to do is you need to click on this one. So the moment you click on it, we need to click on this download option that is being placed here. All you need to do is you need to click on this download and eventually it will now start on the downloading process. So we just have to click on this download icon at the upper right side of the screen to keep on track on the progress. Okay, and we just have to wait until this would be completed before we can continue to the installation. Once it is being downloaded, click this folder icon to show it in folder, and in that way you would be redirected to the location where it is being placed or saved to. The next step that we need to do is we need to move that to the desktop. So by that, click on the Scott icon, close the window, as well as this one, okay, and go with exit and make a right click here and go with the spaced icon. Once we have pasted it, we need to extract this one. So by that, make a right click and all you need to do is you need to scroll down on the list of options, and from here we just have to select on this one and go with extract to. So wait until it will be successfully extracted. Okay. And once it is being extracted, you need to proceed to the button search bar here, type for settings. So don't worry if no file is showing here at the desktops. Okay, we will be able to see it at the File Explorer because the moment we bring up our File Explorer, okay, and the moment we navigate to the left pane where we can see the desktop, we can see the extracted file here. Okay, so close the window and navigate to the button search bar and type for settings. Once you're done typing, please click on the best match, double tap to it. You can also press Windows key and I key together, and in that way you would be able to bring up the settings window. So we just have to wait until everything are showing up here, including the options. And once everything are ready, please proceed to the left side of that. You can see there are Bluetooth and devices. And under the Bluetooth and devices, please choose for devices to bring up the devices settings. So from here, you need to scroll down, and under the related settings, at the fifth of that, you can see there are more devices and printer settings. So please click on it, and in that way, you will be able to bring up this kind of window. Please proceed to the top option where you can see add a printer. Click on the printer that I want isn't listed, and choose add a local printer or network printer with manual settings. Click on next. And if it will ask you to choose for existing port, choose among of these three USB ports. It could be USB 001, 002, or 003. In my case, I'll be setting for USB 001, and then click on next. Go with have disk, and just browse. And since our extracted file is being placed at the desktop, okay, we need to click on this down arrow key and go with the desktop. So from the desktop, we need to scroll down and locate to the file that we have extracted. Please double tap to it and go with the driver. So here the driver, it will show you the driver. Go with open, click on OK, and it will show up here. All you do is to click on next, and please rename that into Canon MF244DW. Okay, once you're done typing, please click on next, and it will now start on the installation. We just have to wait until this would be finished. So if your user account control would ask you to say yes, proceed with yes so that you can continue on the installation. Once you're done, please click on next. Go with finished, and there you have that. You have just successfully installed the Canon Image Glass MF244DW printer driver in your Windows 11 PC or laptop. So from that on, you can now close the window and you're good to go. So if you think this video helped you a lot, then please don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching this video and have a good day.